Yes, this is the last soil profile pit description. This is a job we started 6 weeks ago. We started with so many things, but here it is. So we are gonna do a short video. We are gonna introduce ourselves and our roles here, so you get to know us individually. So I'm starting with our associate dean in the person of Dr. Ndukwe. Here we go. So, Doc,
Good morning.
good morning. Yeah, so can you quickly tell us your role here, the journey so far in this
1.4
project, very massive project, soil survey at Ifite Ogwari.
Okay, my name is Dr. Okori Ondukwe, the Associate Dean of Faculty of Agriculture, Nnamdi Azikiwe University.
Okay.
This is the permanent site for the Faculty of Agriculture, and it's a dream come true. And what we are doing presently is to make sure the faculty takes off on a good ground, which is by starting to make sure we do the soil test, soil mapping, vegetation, cover, and variation, so that we'll be able to, as agriculturists, we'll be able to plant and situate things where they're supposed to, and in the appropriate places they're supposed to be. So I am playing the role of the host. I'm more or less like representing the dean, faculty of agriculture, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, as a sub-dean. My role presently is to make sure that the technical team, their welfare is taken care of. I'm also doubling as an agronomist in this project. So technically, I'm also an agronomist, making sure that we relate the soil mapping and testing to the crop production, which we are going to embark very soon. Already we have started plowing, and we've plowed about 4 hectares of land where we are going to do several things. So it's been a massive project. This is the sixth week. The sixth week we started this project, and this should be the last week from now. So I'm happy, because it's in my dream that we are seeing this progress, massive progress. It's a thing of joy. I'm fulfilled. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ndukwe. We really appreciate your kindness, hospitality, your assistance in all capacity. You've been very resourceful to this very project. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ukoiba and I'm the weed scientist here.
Okay.
So we're identifying the weeds, characterizing them in different locations, different topo sequence. So we're able to have an overview of the different weeds in these locations, and then being able to characterize them in relation to the types of soil we have around in this locality. It has been quite a challenging one, but we're equal to the task. The experience, we are loving it. So it's a combination of multidisciplinary research where we do a lot of work, and I'm glad to be part of the team.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Your being here has been very resourceful as well. At least let me add to what he had already said. He's been able to help us identify some of these vegetative covers, and then helping us as soil scientists to relate it this time in situ in the field, and he's been very resourceful to this project. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So let's quickly meet the team leader, the Oga of this project. So he's in the person of Mr. Chike Onyeka. He's a co-soil scientist, somebody I have much respect for. So please, may we know you?
Anyway, my name here, like you mentioned, is Chike Onyeka. Well, I'm not the big boss. This is the big boss. I'm just more like the technical person around here, based on the fact that what we are doing is basically a soil survey thing.
Okay.
But then it goes beyond soil survey in a lot of respects because it's more like an integrated survey.
That's right.
So we're about the soil survey on one aspect, the land cover mapping on the other aspect, the terrain assessment on another aspect. So it's more like an integrated survey whereby in the end we do some kind of a land use planning. So we say, look at where you plant so and this particular crops. For the oil plants, you grow maize, cassava, and co. For the lowlands, you grow rice and maybe allied crops.
That's right.
So basically, that's why I said it's integrated.
That's right.
So, well, I'm just a technical person because I have, it's more like my own field because I have a master's degree in soil survey and land use planning, and of course a master's degree in geoinformation science and earth observation. That's where you marry two of them and produce maybe some kind of a land use plan which gives you basically what you do with particular parcels of land. It's more like you correlate the land itself and the requirements for a particular land use.
Okay.
And then the result is the plan.
So what exactly can you call, in your own words, what exactly can you call this project that have taken us 6 weeks long?
Well, I haven't really sat down to do a lot of thinking about it, but then maybe off the heart, I would say it's more like the integrated survey of the Ifite Ogwari Campus
Faculty of Agriculture.
of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, which is where the Faculty of Agriculture is domiciled.
Okay.
So it's much more complex than that because you're not talking about, after you do an integrated survey, you have to produce a land use plan. So it's something you need to sit down and then maybe look at the various aspects and then come up with something that catches, that takes care of all aspects of the same
That's
project.
right. That's right. Thank you very much, sir. You're a very good soil scientist with capacity. Thank you very much for the insights. All right. So let's meet one of our very brilliant and elderly and experienced person in our midst. Please, sir, may we know you?
Well, thank you very much.
Okay.
My name is Mus Boniface Okechukwu,
Okay.
the farm manager, crop production and horticulture department of Nnamdi Azikiwe University.
That's right.
Then, I happen to be a member of this team. Then, soil profile, you can see this one. This is a soil profile number 16. This is soil survey we are having. Then, I am a recorder. In each profile pit, there are certain things we are looking for there. Something like the rocky outcrop of the area, the boulders, and the surface toneness. These are the things I record on my own part. There are other registers where other people take certain things that will now lead to a successful leading the team to a successful completion of their work because it is a soil survey. After then, we now know where to plant, which crop to plant this area, which crop to plant the other area, or where to have our buildings. So this is one of the reasons why we are here. And I'm just here for the fact that God made it that I will be with them. I'm not a soil scientist per se, but as a farm manager, I cannot do without the soil. Therefore, I have to know much about the soil. And interestingly, I love to know more about the soil. So as a farm manager, so everything will go well.
Yeah. But then your expertise and your knowledge has been resourceful these few weeks. We've worked together because you're a crop scientist, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah.
At
Crop science, soil science, we are all agronomists in a way, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for your knowledge and expertise.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. So let's meet one of our team members, also a soil scientist. Please, sir, may we know you and your role in this project?
Okay, Mr. Emmanuel Nabuhi. I'm a soil pedologist and a land evaluator. Okay, we are here to carry out a detailed soil survey of the school and to map out areas that will be suitable for specific purposes like farm, building, roads and administrative block, and part of the soils that can be used for recreational activity. I'm here on behalf of the Department of Soil Science through the Faculty of Agriculture to help energize, stabilize, um, accumulate data that will be useful for the university community.
All
Yeah.
right, all right. Thank you very much, sir. Your expertise here and your input has been very resourceful within these 6 weeks we've been here, and you've also been helping tremendously in the kitchens. Thank you very much for your help.
Yeah,
All
thank you.
right, all right, yeah. Okay, that's the voice behind the documentary. I am Awka from Odabuchi, John Bosco. I'm a soil scientist. Uh, Specializes in soil degradation and reclamation, or you call it soil pollution, soil and environmental pollution management. Yeah, it's been amazing for the past 6 weeks in what we've been doing here. Is an integrated soil survey, I must tell you. So that's why we gathered the team of soil scientists and crop scientists. Because for our sole objective here is to study the soil, ensure that the soil health is sustained, and everything that exists therein, that is the biodiversity, to be able to produce all kinds of crops we want uh, in an optimal level. So that's why we gathered all of us here, that has in our different specializations to come and add our expertise in the field and come up with a lasting solution. This is a very big project for the Faculty of Agriculture, I must tell you, because this is part of the planning stages where we want to get all these things done, because they say if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So that is it. So it is something that will go a very long way, and the generations unborn will remember us, and will know what we've done for them. We are very happy. The job is very laborious, I must tell you, but we are happy. That's what we chose. To save the soil, yeah, and to make sure that we ensure food security for you and for me. So I'm your host once again, Okafo Maduabuchi John Bosco, a soil scientist in the Department of Soil Science and Land Resources Management, Faculty of Agriculture, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Thank you.